Windows are a vital part of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal. However, in a city like Taylor, where the climate can swing between hot summers and chilly winters, the quality and installation of your windows can make a significant difference in your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Proper window installation is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a sustainable, comfortable, and cost-effective living environment. Here's why proper window installation is critical for Taylor's unique climate and what you can do to ensure your home is protected. Understanding Taylor's climate challenges. Taylor experiences a humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot, humid summers and cool winters. During the summer, temperatures can climb into the 90s, while winter nights often dip into the 30s. This wide temperature range poses unique challenges for homeowners. Heat gain and loss. Poorly installed windows can allow heat to seep into your home during summer and escape during winter. This can lead to discomfort and skyrocketing energy bills. Moisture and humidity. Taylor's high humidity levels can cause condensation and even mold growth if windows are not properly sealed. Storm readiness. Sudden thunderstorms, which are common in Taylor, can exploit weak window installations, leading to leaks or even damage to your interiors. Energy efficiency starts with installation. Modern windows are designed to reduce energy loss with features like double glazing, low E coatings, and argon gas fills. However, even the most advanced windows will fail to perform if they are not installed correctly. Preventing air leaks. Proper installation ensures a tight seal around the window frame, preventing drafts that force your HVAC system to work harder. Maximizing insulation. Professional installation includes applying high-quality insulation materials to eliminate gaps that can let conditioned air escape. Reducing solar heat gain. Proper alignment and sealing ensure that features like UV-blocking glass perform optimally, keeping your home cooler during Taylor's sweltering summers. The risks of improper installation. Improperly installed windows can lead to several problems. Increased energy bills. Gaps, poor seals, or misaligned windows allow heat transfer, making your heating and cooling systems work overtime. Water damage. Poor installation can cause leaks during rainstorms, leading to structural damage and mold. Reduced window lifespan. Stress on improperly installed windows can lead to cracks, warping, or failure over time. Noise pollution. A poorly sealed window can let in outside noise, reducing the tranquility of your home. Choosing the right professionals for the job. To ensure your windows are installed correctly, it's crucial to work with experienced professionals who understand Taylor's climate. Look for installers who have local expertise. Local contractors understand the specific challenges posed by Taylor's weather and will use techniques suited to the area. Use high-quality materials. From weather-resistant flashing to premium insulation, quality materials make a big difference in window performance. Offer warranties. A reputable installer will stand by their work with warranties, ensuring you're covered if issues arise. Additional tips for homeowners. Select climate-specific windows. Choose windows designed for hot and humid climates, such as those with low U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, ratings. Inspect regularly. Even the best installations can degrade over time. Check your windows annually for signs of wear, such as drafts, condensation, or difficulty opening and closing. Invest in maintenance. Routine maintenance, such as caulking and cleaning, can extend the lifespan of your windows and preserve their energy efficiency. The long-term benefits of proper installation. While professional window installation may seem like a significant upfront investment, the long-term benefits far outweigh the costs. Here's what you can expect. Lower energy bills. A properly installed window can reduce your energy consumption, saving you money year-round. Enhanced comfort. No more drafts in the winter or hot spots in the summer, just consistent comfort throughout your home. Increased home value. Energy efficient, well-installed windows are a major selling point for potential buyers. Peace of mind. Knowing your windows can withstand Taylor's storms and extreme temperatures provides invaluable peace of mind. Conclusion. Taylor's climate demands a proactive approach to window installation. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current windows, investing in proper installation is essential for energy efficiency, durability, and comfort. By choosing professional installers and climate-appropriate materials, you can ensure your windows protect and enhance your home for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your windows or need advice on proper installation, contact a local expert today and start enjoying the benefits of a more comfortable, energy-efficient home.